This is Annie. If you remember last week's episode, he was kind of struggling, so we decided to meet for day 2. You're watching the 35th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge.
Not really feeling the bug, huh? Hey, how's it going? Fuck with the tats. Hey, excuse me. I really like your necklace.
Thank you for the compliment, and
have a good time, guys. Bye.
We're here for day 2. I met up with Annie maybe 2 months ago. What has happened since last time?
Mainly I've just been going out more and just trying to get as many reps in as possible. Because at the end of the day, that's all that's in my control. Yeah.
So how has that gone for you?
I mean, in terms of like tangible results, not that well, but I mean, that doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's just something I have to do for myself and break out of my shell.
Okay.
My main issues, like we talked about before, is like just this overall like fear of them not wanting to talk, or not wanting like anything to do with me specifically. Like why me?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. It's because of past experiences, and over time, like one or two doesn't mean much, but over years of like social conditioning and overall just like, oh yeah, don't talk to random people, don't talk to strangers. Over time, that just adds up, and it becomes a really hard rut to get out of once you're in. So
maybe we can kick off by like a very like casual interaction where like you can sort of like walk around as if it's Friday afternoon. You're just like walking around, and you can just sit to someone like random. Just sit on a bench next to someone, just ask them how the day is going. Just like your casual, like sort of like no pressure type of interaction, just to like get a bit warmed up.
Yeah.
What do you feel about that? Or do you want to like get into the meat of it straight away? Or
nah, I think we can start with.
Okay, let's ease into it. Okay, perfect. Let's go.
It's that feeling of like, is that sudden urge of like that wave of like anxiety that just like, I think of it too much, like
It's unreal. So many random sofas.
Hey, how's it going? Hello?
Even if like let's say he says hey and then there is a blank like this, then just add like what are you up to today?
Hey, how's it going? How are you? How has your day been so far? Good to hear. It's been all right. Just taking a break from work.
Where do you work?
Oh, me? I work for biomedical engineering. You know the medical instruments for like devices they use in the hospital for like surgeries? Yeah, so I have an internship there. But yeah, that's basically what I do. So, Paul, it was really nice talking to you, man. You have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
I made it a point this time to like try to make eye contact and look so that he knows that I'm trying to talk to him.
Yeah.
And then from there it was just, how's your day been? And then going from there, saying some stuff about work. And I know, logically, that talking to people is nothing crazy. It's a basic evolutionary skill, but actually doing it and like the anxiety is just a load of crap.
Yeah. It's okay. But there's some progress.
Hey, how's it going? I really like your necklace. So how's your day been so far? It's a really nice day out, so I figured I'd come out here and just chill out for a bit. It's fucking. So what do you do?
I'm on holidays here, so.
Oh, what's that? So what's that, like, exactly?
What's that? Like holidays, you mean?
Oh, holidays. Yes. Sorry, I didn't hear you
no,
properly.
It's okay.
Yeah, okay, nice. So where are you from originally?
Argentina.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So
Where are you from?
I'm from New Jersey.
Okay.
That's cool. So when'd you come to New York? You been to Uptown, like Times Square and?
Yes. A bit of everything.
Considering I live so close, like I'm literally like 30 minutes, I just don't come here that often, you know? It's just like the commute, like it gets fun the first 5-6 times and then after that, yeah, exactly. It's just a fucking. So how you feel about you guys won the World Cup? Or not Copa America, right? Oh yeah. How long are you gonna be in the city for?
A week. So almost done.
Oh, nice. Well, you seem pretty chill. We should definitely grab a coffee sometime.
Thank you.
Do you have an Instagram, WhatsApp?
No, I don't.
You don't give up?
No.
It's cool. It was nice talking to you, though. You take care.
You too.
Have a good day. For starters, my nerves were definitely visible. I was like, what do I say next? You know, how do I continue? Right.
I also noticed that you didn't really let her talk. You asked like so many questions, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. Like when she gave me like the first answer, I just got in my head. I was like, oh fuck, she doesn't really want to talk. So I tried kind of carrying the conversation, and that ended up backfiring.
Everything that happens, you basically have like a negative read on it. You know, like the person does something, and then you think automatically like, oh, you know, she doesn't want to talk, or oh, it's because of this, or it's because of that. You know what I mean? Like as if you were kind of like victimizing. You know what I mean? Like you're kind of saying like, oh, you know, the world's against me, basically.
Yeah.
You know, and every time you see something that can lead you to conclude that, you're gonna say, oh, look, you see, like she answered quickly, therefore, like, you know, like try to be a bit more like naive, like a child, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
A few moments later.
You want to talk to someone, right? You're the one who's inviting them. Like if you just say, hey, how's it going? You know, especially with like a tone of voice that's like not even that excited. Like, I mean, obviously the person is not going to be like, oh, I'm doing great. You know, this morning I did this, and like I'm planning. Like obviously, like you know what I mean. Like
yeah, I get.
You're getting like what you put in, right? Like so.
Of course. Not really feeling the book, huh? I just said some shit and then obviously it didn't register with her, and I just kind of said lies, kind of left it.
Like you shouldn't say anything of like substance unless people are looking at you in your eyes. Okay, otherwise they're not listening to you.
Hey, excuse me. Do you mind if I sit here?
Go ahead, bro.
Thank you. I'm good, man. How about you? Fuck with the tats. What you drawing?
Drawing like that tree.
I used to draw a lot of like cars back when I was like little. Are you more of a nature kind of guy, or do you like drawing really anything?
You're into cars?
Oh yeah, I like. I'm trying to save up for my first one right now. So. What? All right. Hey, excuse me. You just look really nice today. I want to say hi. How's your day going? Do you do anything special or anything?
Today, reading in the park.
I'm not much of a reader myself, so like when I see people reading like outside, it's just like I don't know how I can maintain that sort of like concentration. What book is that?
It's called The Psychopath.
What other genres are you into generally?
I typically read nonfiction, just so I can learn from it. I studied psychology, so...
Oh, that's cool, okay. Yeah, so I'm actually like a biomedical engineer, so like we have to kind of study about the brain and like, you know, what the functions are, so I've been meaning to get into like the more of the psychology aspect Oh, I'll let you continue. It was really nice talking to you. Do you want to hang out sometime?
Sure.
Yeah, let me take your number real quick. Thanks. Well, it was nice talking to you. Yeah, you have a good day. Originally, I was going to use that guy being where I wanted to sit as an excuse, but then I decided, fuck that, and I just asked him if he could move his stuff so I could sit there. And definitely...
Were you going to talk to the girl before I called you?
I was trying to, but I was like really like I was like, oh, she has headphones in, oh my god, like she's gonna fucking be like, oh, leave me alone.
And she was nice.
But yeah, no, she was. Nice? That was actually a pleasant surprise to me.
Yeah.
I feel pretty good. I mean, regardless of what happens after this, you know, whether or not something ends up with it, I don't really give a shit about. That's secondary. But the fact that I had a conversation, and she was pretty cool too. Like,
I think this is a good reference point of you basically bailing out, then going for it, then having bad expectation, then being surprised, and like, I mean, and you still got her number, which I didn't think that was gonna happen today, to be honest.
Yeah, I actually did not either, man. No cap. Hey, I just wanted to say you look really nice today.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. I appreciate that.
I'm Ani. What's your name?
I'm great to meet you.
How's your day been so far?
Thank you. It's good. I have, well, technically work till 7, but I'm taking a
Oh,
little
what?
break. And then it's been good. I'm ready for the weekend though.
Oh, facts. I mean, I actually took off today from work. I work in New Jersey normally.
Oh, we're in Jersey. Okay.
So
And where are you working?
What about you?
I work for it.
Nice. So what have you been up to today other than...
I went to, I forget the name of it, but it's like the birthplace of the cappuccino.
I didn't play that much.
Oh, what the fuck?
So I
What do you do for fun?
really like to read, and I play the drums, which I like a lot. I really want to start a band.
So future Metallica am I talking to over here?
Yeah. No, it's more for fun, but...
Okay. Well, yeah, you seem really cool, but we should definitely check out one of your coffee places sometime.
Yeah, sounds good. I am seeing someone.
Oh, oh yeah, how long?
It's been like a year and a half.
Oh yeah, then not many loyal ones left in this place, so I won't let you detract from that.
But I so appreciate it. Thank you for the compliment, and you seem awesome. So it was great to talk to you.
Yeah, you too. Take care, yeah.
Nice to meet you, and good luck with your job. It sounds
Yeah, you too. Take care.
Is this you, bro? Are you...
No, it's not
Did you
me.
exchange with your twin brother or
it's not
something?
me.
Like, what the fuck is going on?
I'm on demon time. That's what's going on, bro.
Bro, I feel like you just had like a personality switch. Like, this was really nice.
I told you, I was just like, just get this dumb nerves out of the way, and it's like, it's cake, it's easy. It's like, why even like, you know, go through this like, fucking.
That's so cool.
But yeah, I mean, just I just, this is what trying to get girls and like trying to meet people should be, you know, just normal ass conversation.
Yeah, normal.
It's just like, you know, once that side of my brain just like shuts off, it's just like you look back and it's like, why was this so, you know, nerve-wracking?
Nerve-wracking, yeah. Okay. How do you feel? Good?
Feel good, yeah. Feel really good.
Yeah.
Hey, could I pet your dog? What's his name? Belle. Hey, Belle. How old is he?
7.
Oh, 7 years. Oh, who's it? Yours?
No, it's just one of my friends.
Oh, nice. I actually have a lab that's 1 year, and he's like double his size. It's like, hey, hi. Hey, what's cool, buddy?
She's a little people.
People, yeah. She wants all the attention. Come here. Oh, what are you guys' names? Nice to meet you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. You guys from around here? 9, 10 months. Not here. I mean, I can't take him on the train. Yeah, otherwise I would 100% bought him. He would have had such a blast. Especially that dog park, like across there's so many. That's nuts. Well, have a good time, guys. Bye. 5. You take care.
Well, first of all, I want to say I'm impressed that you went and talked to a group of 3, but you kind of used the dog like a crush. Like you didn't even tell the girl she was cute.
I don't know.
Because
the thing is like I wanted to, but the thing is, if I told one, then like I don't know how to deal with
what does it matter? It just means you're attracted to one. Like if I tell you, if someone comes and say, hey, you have a nice t-shirt, I'm not going to think that my t-shirt is shit. When you walked in, did you knew the whole time that you were just going to talk about the dogs, or you bailed out at the last second?
I kind of bailed out. Like at first, I genuinely wanted to like start with something else, but I was already really close, and I was like pretty much right in front of them, and I had to say something.
Jenny, so end of day 2. No worries. 2 months later, how was today?
I mean, honestly, today could have gone like, at first, there could not have been a more shit way to start today, if I'm being completely honest. But towards the end, once I finally just got in my element and just out of my head, everything just became so much easier. And that's why I feel like today was really good, because it wasn't necessarily like, oh yeah, I was getting like yes, or like good interaction after good interaction. It's quite the opposite, but then I ended on a strong note, which is what's important.
And that happened on day 2, which is, like that shows that, sometimes you have a lot of like shit to go through to actually like see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Exactly.
Did you get some insights from today?
We all just get in our own way. That's the biggest takeaway I can take from this. We get in our own way, and as a result, we overthink things that should be pretty simple, like just, going up and starting a conversation. And, once you just get over that anxiety, we've been doing it for millions of years. So once you take the nervousness part out, you're just doing something you were born to do.
And you've been doing since you're a child.
Exactly. So.
Okay. Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Just do anything, honestly. Even if you have a half-assed stammered hi, how's it going, like I did, I think that's good. Like if you can do that, then great, and then just keep building momentum and taking each step forward. And don't be afraid to talk to everyone, and just try to have a good conversation, and just like you said, be genuinely nice, and things will just fall into place from there.
Okay.
So.
Any last words?
Fuck it. Yeah, this was great. So,
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. I'm sort of traveling around the US, so wherever you are, let me know and we'll make it happen. That's it for today. See you next time.